Hello everyone, Fox Obsessions here, and today I will teach you how to code a data pack in Minecraft version 121. I'll also teach you some simple commands such as /execute command, /scoreboard command, objectives, and players. I will teach you even a little bit about /tag and /team and how they help with data packs. I also teach you how to code a simple third life data pack in this episode. So, also, if you would like me to teach you how to code any other data pack, just ask that in the comment section. Some things you'll eventually learn how to code would be death animations such as this. So let's get right into how I can code stuff like that, and how you can as well. To start with making a data pack, I would recommend downloading Visual Studio Code. Now, once you downloaded this, once you download Visual Studio Code, I would recommend going to your extensions. Once you go to your extensions, go to your search bar and search Datapack Help Plus. Datapack Helper Plus by Spyglass, and then I would install it. This will help with so much. It will color everything and make life so much easier. Then I would recommend downloading Syntax. Syntax just helps overall with how coding works. These are very useful. Once you do that, now it is time to start working on making the data pack. So how do you make a data pack? So you go to your %appdata folder. So you just search in your search bar if you don't know how to get to it. You go %. So you search capital A, PP, capital D, data, and %. And then you click on your app data folder, and boom, you're here. Next, you would want to go to .minecraft. Then after you get to .minecraft, go to your Minecraft and create a Minecraft world. My world will be my data pack world, preferably have cheats on just so you can run functions. After you make your world, which I'm currently doing, or I'm just logging into my world, I guess, go to your saves folder, which will be found in this S section. Then go to that world you made. Mine is data pack world. After you go to data pack world, go to data packs, make a folder. Now I have made plenty of data packs in here, but I would make a folder in here, name it whatever you want. Mine will be named tutorial. So now I have tutorial, right? And I have my world. Go back. Now that you have made your file, go to File, Open Recent, More, File, Open Folder. Then you're going to want to go to your %app data %. And then go to roaming, then .minecraft, then saves, then the world that you made, data packs, and then open that folder that you made in your saves of data pack. Now that you did that, it is time to start making the data pack with some quick and easy things. First, you're going to want to make a folder with new folder. You're going to name it data. This will hold all your data. Then you're going to want to make a base function. This will be everything. This is what the name of it. This can be called whatever you want. I'm going to call mine life. In that folder you just made. Now make a folder called function. Okay, now that you did that, you have a base. Then click on data. In data, make a new folder, call it Minecraft. Then Minecraft, put another folder called tags, spelled correctly. Then put function in tags. Okay, now that you made that, now you have your folders made, right? You're gonna want to make the pack format. This tells the code what version this is made for. You're going to do pack.mcmeta. In here, you're going to put a line of code. This will be the first thing you put in here. I'm going to copy paste mine from my Ultimate Life data pack I made. So this says the pack format is 48. That is everything. And I will be teaching you how to code Third Life today, because, like, why not? If you do not know what Third Life is, it's where you have 3 lives. And usually life is color green, yellow, red. Okay, now that you did that, you have successfully made a data pack. Or kind of, but not yet. You have successfully set up a data pack. Next, you're going to want to make 2 folder file. Go to your Minecraft tags function and make a file called tick.json. And you're going to do it again, but call it load.json. Okay, now that you did that, go to your life or your whatever it's called for you function and call it load.mc function. Now you're going to make many functions, and the way to make a function, you do whatever you want to call it. No capitals, no periods, nothing like that, no spaces. .mc function. But then you're going to make a tick.mc function. Bam, you made 2 functions. Now you're going to want to pull up. Now you're going to want to put these 2 things. So go to your tick.json and put this. This is always calling on tick. Tick will forever be running. And then you have load. This will happen every time you load the game. That is what the JSONs are doing. And boom. Okay, next, go to your load and type your load function. Now that you have successfully coded tick, load, and pack. So you have it so it's always running a function every time you reload the world, and your pack.mcmeta. So now you're going to want to do tell raw at a that's curly brackets or quotation marks. But if you do curly brackets, you're going to want to do text works. But if you're going to do quotes, you just have to do quote unquote works. And then you could do color, you could bold it, up to you. By doing color, you just go color, quote, green. But I don't want to do that. You can do that though. Okay, let's check if you successfully coded a data pack. Save all. Don't save it. Let's see if you successfully coded a data pack. Click save, click file, save all, and then X out. And then go to your world. And do slash reload. And if it works, it will say works. And it works. That means you, my friend, have successfully coded a data pack. Good job. So next step is I'm going to teach you some basic commands such as slash execute command and all of its things. So let's start off with the execute command. There's 3 things that are very important. You have as, at, and at. As is happening as a player. So if you do execute as at as catmaster_mi, run game mode spectator. It's a running as that player to put them in spectator. But at execute at that player, it's happening at the player. So execute at catmaster_mi, run summon particle sonic boom. It will summon those particles there. But then there's if. This is an extra one that I don't use a lot. If score catmaster_sky battery. This is all math stuff. Matches, whatever. 1 to 5 or something. That's if something happens. You have if items, if function, if entity, if dat, if blocks, if biome, all those special stuff. But you also have if and run. Run runs a command. And execute is a command within the command. Then you have scoreboard. /scoreboard is very important. You have objectives and players. Objectives is where you can is a scoreboard, how you make it. So objectives add, you can create a scoreboard called death, let's say. And the criteria would be death count. And it would say every time if a person dies, add 1 to death count. That's what that basically says. You have many more, such as health, which is the player's health. You have a dummy. That is where you make its criteria. So with other scoreboards, so say someone dies, you set their lives to 3. If someone dies, remove 1 from their lives. If they get a kill, add 1. You could do that. There's kill count, player kill count, and then there's also custom ones where you could do if all of these, if they drop something, if they fly 1 centimeter, stuff like that, or if they use something. There's so much you could do with this. There's also remove, which removes a scoreboard you have. I have so many scoreboards. So that's scoreboard, objective. And then you have modify, which modifies a scoreboard in any way you want. I don't know much about which modifies the scoreboard. Then you have set display, which sets the display to anywhere you want. We could put it in tab, we could put it above our name tag, or we could put it on the side of our screen. And then list, you can list every scoreboard that ever existed. Then you have players, scoreboard players. This you add add the players 1. That's what it is. Same thing, it's opposite with remove, it removes 1 from them, or set, you set that scoreboard to something. Resets, it removes that scoreboard and sets 0. Operations math, list. Cat Master just lists all their scoreboards. Gets their score, so it tells you none is set for that. It tells you what they have. Enable is like a trigger command, so you have your / triggers, such as claim kill, stuff like that. It enables those, makes those so those work. And that's it for scoreboard. You also have your /team. You would be your team would be add, and then you would make a team. And then you have team remove, which removes that team. Empty kicks everybody that's in that team out. Team join puts somebody into a team. Team list lists everybody that's in a specific team. See how there are no members in orange. Team modify modifies the teams, like it modifies its color, some of the rules it has, some things that go in front of it, all that stuff. And then there's team leave, which takes someone out of it. And then you have your /tag, which adds someone to a tag. Same rules as team, except there's no modification. Leave. You have tag add, tag remove, and tag list, which lists everybody's tag. And then there's also an important command about teams or execute. So if you do execute as at a, and then you can add this. This right here, the bracket, that will be your thing. So if game mode equals not spectator, an exclamation point in code set means not. So this is saying if their game mode is not spectator, run telraw as hi, and it'll tell me hi because I am not in spectator. But if I go in spectator and I run the command again, it doesn't do anything because I am now in spectator. I think that is the basics of coding, and next time I will teach you how to successfully code a data pack, such as things that how to successfully code third life data pack, or I can also teach you how to code almost any data pack, such as like ultimate life, charged life, last life, uh secret life, anything you want me to code or learn how to code, I can show you how. Anyways, thank you all for watching me, and I hope you actually did learn something from this. And if you'd like to learn anything specific, of course, always contact me. My Discord is in my description, and my email is somewhere. You could probably find it. I don't know where it is, but you'll find it. Trust me. Or you can always leave a comment. I'll most likely read those first. Anyways, have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.